You want to let Jay try it too? Does it stop? Yeah, it stops when the water stops, doesn't it?
Let's look out!
It's okay. It's okay. What is it, guys? What is that thing called?
Oh. A watermill.
Watermill or watermill.
That's what I say, watermill. What about the other side?
What did you say? There's not enough room? Oh, yeah, it's full on the bottom. Did you notice that?
It is?
Yeah, look at the bottom of the water wheel. There's water on the bottom. Let's go in.
Not enough for it to do.